When you own a star, you want it to shine wherever you go. And while your car gets washed regularly, do you know what it truly costs? Every car wash takes around 10 buckets of water of 10 liters each. That's 100 liters of water every time your car is washed. Besides that, soap water also seeps through the soil and contaminates groundwater. It harms the skin as well and is harsh on your car. So why put your own car and the environment at risk when we have the perfect solution to keep your star shining? Presenting our easy-to-use eco-friendly solution, quick and clean. Waterless, biodegradable and with zero harmful chemicals. It prevents contamination of soil and groundwater and has numerous other advantages like streak-free cleaning of glass, paint, rubber and plastic surfaces. It doesn't harm your star and is mild on skin too. At Mercedes-Benz, we are committed to innovating products that are safe for the environment while delivering exceptional values for our customers as well. No wonder Mercedes-Benz India is ranked #1 in customer service and sales satisfaction by JD Power. To know more about Quick and Clean, visit your nearest service center or call us at 1-800-102-9222. Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.